Hello and welcome back in the Gourmet Gambit. The 3 Salmons burger. We're going to use a salmon in 3 product forms. Fresh salmon, smoked salmon and canned salmon. And this burger is going to be fresh like a summer salad. I know you're going to hate me for this burger, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm Wes, let's get started. Peel a cucumber. And then we grate about 1 cup. And the rest we're going to put in slices. Pour half a teaspoon of salt and mix it up. Same for the grated cucumber, half a teaspoon of salt. Preserve in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Rinse your fillet under cold water. We're not going to scale the fillet because we're not going to use the skin. If there's still some fish bones in there, take them out with a little spoon, like this. And now we're going to get rid of the skin. Then just cut the fillet into pieces a little bit bigger than the size of your burger. If you use lemon zest, know that they spray wax on the lemon skin for a longer preservation. So give it a good brush under the hot water tap to get this thin layer of wax off. And then we need about a good tablespoon of lemon zest. Avoid taking the white skin underneath, that is quite a little bit bitter. Here you go. 1½ teaspoon of Japanese Gomasio. And we're going to ground this grossly. Here we got some chive, parsley and cheddar. So we're going to take the moisture out of our grated cucumbers. Squeeze it out a little bit. We're going to use 300 grams of Greek yogurt, the lemon zest, the chopped herbs, a good mill of sea salt, a good pepper mill. Mix it well. And here we got our basic sauce for the burger. We're going to filter our canned salmon as well. You're going to need about 300 grams, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of Greek yogurt, of Japanese Gomasio. Squeeze a mix, but don't squeeze it too much. We need to keep a little bit of a consistency. Here you go. We're going to dress our burgers with some very nice baby leaves, greens and some beautiful watercress full of flavors. The salmon fillet, coarse sea salt, good pepper mill. I prefer to fry my salmon in butter, but you can use olive oil of course. Frying pan on medium heat. Just a few minutes each side. We don't want our salmon to dry out. We want to keep it tender and moist. Heat up a dry frying pan and we're gonna toast our burger buns lightly. Here we go. First some baby leaf greens, then a good tablespoon of our yogurt burger sauce, our beautiful salmon fillet, some very tasty smoked salmon, the canned salmon with the Japanese Gomasio, some of that beautiful watercress, and here we got our 3 salmons burger, very nice fresh burger, good summer food. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Bon appetit and see you back soon.